Welcome to Nookology. I'm your host, Nikki. Today, it's all about moms. This has been a crazy year, am I right? 2020, whew, wish it was over already, but since it's not, I'm gonna make it just a little easier for you. I've got some great do-it-yourself projects that's gonna make your day so much nicer. Let's get started. First of all, we're gonna make a sugar scrub. Oh, this feels so good. If you've never used a sugar scrub, you're gonna thank me over and over. And it's so easy. So just pour in a couple cups of granulated sugar, just plain old sugar, which you already have in your cupboard. Then you're gonna add half a cup of coconut oil. Now, oftentimes coconut oil is solid. So what you wanna do is melt it a little bit, leave it out for a little bit on your counter, or just put it in the microwave for a few seconds. Just dump that on in. Then you're gonna take your essential oil. We like lavender because it's so soothing and calming, but you can use citrus if you want a little wake me up, a little energizer, if you will. But this is about calming, so we're going with lavender today. Just dump in about 15, 20, maybe 30 drops, as many as you want. It doesn't matter, it's yours. Once you have that all in the bowl together, just mix it up. Mix, mix, mix until it's nice and goopy. Once you've got it the way you like it, just put it in a jar. You can use it today, tomorrow, whenever you want, or give it as a gift. Easy peasy. Now let's get started on the second one. We're gonna make an avocado face mask. Love it, tasty, delicious, feels good too. All you're gonna do is mash up half an avocado, add 1.5 teaspoons of raw honey. Just mix that up, that's it. Once it's all mixed, you're ready to go. Now if you're gonna wait a day or two, put a little lemon on it. That'll keep it nice and green, because Lord knows, we gotta look our greeny best, right? Once you've got that on, 10 minutes is all it takes. Maybe put some cucumbers on your eyes. Go into your Zen place. Awesome, you're ready to go. Just rinse that off, or if you're a little hungry, you haven't had lunch yet, just grab a couple chips. Win-win, am I right? Let me clean this up now, and we'll get back to the most important thing yet. Mommy juice. Now that we've got that all cleaned up, we're about to make another mess, but this one is a tasty, delicious, wonderful mess that you're gonna love. Mommy juice. Let me tell you how you do it. You take 1 bottle of Barefoot Pink Moscato wine, 3 ounces of the gin of your choice, plus 1 ounce or to taste of simple syrup. And it's already pre-mixed for me for my enjoyment right here in this jar. And then you garnish with orange grapefruit and yellow oranges. Yeah, don't think these are lemons. It's grapefruit and oranges, or any citrus that you want really, but this is the mommy juice recipe, so that's what we're going for. So let's get started. So here, we've got these disposable, reusable, fantastic bags that you can use to make the mommy juice in. You just take out this plug, put in our handy dandy, clever little collapsible funnel, you put it in, and then we get our wine. No cheating. Well, you can if you want, it's your wine. And you just start pouring in. All right, let's see if I can do this. There we go. Now we just add our simple syrup combination with the gin. Okay, I was bragging on myself. Now see if I can do it. There we go, 2 for 2. Then we just plug it up. Easier than I thought. Awesome. Now, the mommy juice box. Very essential to this whole process. You just take the top off. I love these bags. You just set them in. It's so easy. Right there, your little spout. Gotta have the spout sticking out, and you're not getting your mommy juice. Ta-da! All right, best part of all, the taste. Okay, since it's early, I'll stop right there. Otherwise, put in a little bit of your grapefruit, squeeze. A little bit of the orange. Now I'm gonna make this one pretty. Look at that. Look what I did. I'm doing this just for you, otherwise. All right. That is really good. It's very light and refreshing. This is perfect for 2020. Now, a little bonus tip. This Element Tree Essentials candle. Wondering why I just did that? I'll tell you why, because I don't want to burn myself. This is a lotion candle. No wax whatsoever. All oils. We got almond, grapeseed, we've got olive. You name an oil, it's in there. Shea butter. You know what? You can throw it in your pan and fry your chicken with this candle. Just saying. But you're not gonna. You're gonna take a little bit of it. That's what I'm talking about. Smooth. Oh gosh, that feels like heaven. Heaven in a candle. It's delightful. There you go, your do-it-yourself things to make 2020 just a little easier, moms. You're welcome. Enjoy.